Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Big Miggle back with another epic food video. Today we're going to be learning how to make your very own Fortnite burger by yourself. So the three components that you're going to need is your bread and your sausage and your mayo. So first step, you're going to have to get your knife and just, cut it, just straight like through the middle. I want to make a little pocket for it, like that. Twist it like a drill, go in and out a bit. Alright, now what you want to do, you want to spread it open like this so you can see it. You want to get your mayonnaise, you just want to just squirt it in there like that. A bit more, yeah, beautiful. Smexy. Alright, so once you've done that, you just want to slide her in. Oh yeah, just like that. And that's how you make your Fortnite burger at home, DIY. And now, it's going to be me eating the Fortnite burger. Okay guys, so just made it. Just a second, I'm going to grab my plate. Fortnite burger taste test. Tastes like success. You know what I think it needs a bit more mayo, if you ask me. I'll just go with a healthy dose. Yeah, that looks about, maybe a little more. Yeah, that looks about right. Oh, it's a very strong smell.
We got a bit. Do you know what?
Oh, delicious. Best thing I've eaten in a while.